what's happened to राहुल गांधी? राहुल गांधी को क्या हुआ? इतने एग्रेसिव कैसे हो गए? क्या वो ये उनकी नई छवि होगी? Is this going to be his new image? क्या दिल्ली के इलेक्शंस में राहुल गांधी का नया एग्रेसिव पोस्चर निकलेगा? Will the Delhi election see a new aggressive Rahul Gandhi? We've seen this before. Now he says, and the words are this: bulldozer अगर निकलेगा तो मेरे शरीर के ऊपर से निकलेगा. If the bulldozer has to go over this slum, it should first go over my body. Kiran Walia, good evening. Senior leader of the Congress Party. Arnab Goswami. Good evening. Good evening. Raghav Chadda of the Aam Aadmi Party, and debating them is Shrikant Sharma of the BJP. Kiran Walia, क्या हुआ? What happened to Rahul Gandhi? He just got completely emotional, or he decided to put on a more aggressive posture? Did you see what he said? कि bulldozer मेरे शरीर के ऊपर से चलेगा.
It's been a consistent policy of Congress Party. It's not now. It had been decided, laid down, still intact, not been abrogated as yet, that any Juggi cluster which is there since before 2009 cannot be removed unless rehabilitation is done.
Ms. Walia.
And he was going in accordance with that policy.
Ms. Walia.
He did it in Bhatta Parsol, he did it in Niamgadi Hills. It's not anything new that he's doing. It's a continuation of our ethos, our policy, and these people who are getting it removed. ये एक तरफ बात कर रहे रैन बसेरों की, दूसरी तरफ आधी रात को लोगों को वहां पर 1000 लोगों को छोड़ दिया. Is this what they mean by their commitment of this whole rैन बसेरा thing? Hearing ever since winter has come.
I'll tell you about another winter. I'll tell you, Ms. Walia, listen to me. Ms. Walia, I have a bad habit. When somebody is completely factually incorrect, I choose not to let it pass, and I choose to take them on. So I'll tell you, this is the winter of 2014.
I agree.
Okay, so now let me tell you what happened in the winter of 2013. सारे 11 महीने पहले, in the December of 2013, 4 women were forced to give birth in the open, in the biting cold of Delhi after a demolition drive. 4 औरतों ने वहां पे, they were pregnant women, they gave birth in the biting cold because 500 children were also homeless. तब मुझे बताइए राहुल गांधी ने क्यों नहीं कहा कि जो शीला दीक्षित जो बुलडोजर चला रही है मेरे शरीर के ऊपर जाए? तब क्यों नहीं बोला उन्होंने?
Which is that demolition? Could you?
Ma'am, I can tell you the exact demolition which happened in Mansarovar.
No demolition.
I'll tell you about it. Municipal authorities. I'm surprised you don't know bulldozed shelters in the middle of the night near the Mansarovar Park metro line in northeast Delhi.
Excuse me. Municipal authorities do not come under Delhi government. Any initiative and exercise undertaken by them is by municipal authorities.
So who was running the Delhi government? Okay, so who was running the Delhi government in 2013?
Has an ordinance.
Who was running the Delhi government in 2013?
To the same effect.
Who was running the Delhi government in 2013?
2013, we were running the Delhi government.
So it's your fault. Why didn't Rahul Gandhi say मेरे शरीर के ऊपर बुलडोजर ले जाइए? Why didn't he say मेरे शरीर के ऊपर बुलडोजर ले जाइए? Why was he quiet then?
No, he has always been taking this.
No, he's not.
Stand.
No, he's not. I've just given you one example.
Very well. We were the one who brought this policy. Excuse me. This policy has come in response to certain situations.
No, ma'am, you are completely wrong. You are completely wrong. I'll tell you one more example. I'll tell you one more example.
This policy was brought by us.
I'll tell you one more. Now, you know the Commonwealth Games and the Congress Party got stuck in the Commonwealth Games.
You're wrong.
Miss Walia, I'm never wrong on facts. I'll tell you what Raghav Chadda wants to come in. Before that, I want to remind you, a slum was demolished in 2010, housing more than 2,000 people in the Netaji Nagar slum 2 weeks before the Commonwealth Games. 2,000 people were homeless because you wanted to beautify the city. At that point of time, this was meters away from the ultra-luxury Leela Palace Kempinski 260-room hotel. So this was happening near a 5-star hotel. You tell me at that point of time, did Rahul Gandhi say, Kiran Walia, मेरी बात सुनिए, अगर did Rahul Gandhi say, let the bulldozer go over my body?
Excuse me, you're not coming with full facts.
Ma'am, I have complete facts.
The law and the policy is that if anything has to be removed and is unviable for them to be there, then they have to be provided.
Okay. So when you were in government, it was
been provided. Yes.
Right. Really, and I'll tell you that is so wrong. Because I remember there was a vegetable vendor. एक जो सब्जी बेचते थे वहां पे थे, उनका नाम था मोहम्मद सज्जाद.
You talking about one vendor?
No, I am telling you about one poor man.
That you know. Excuse me. I'm talking about
Excuse me. I'm giving you examples, ma'am. Excuse me.
Unviable.
Excuse me. I'm telling you. The man said you will play games while we die. हम मर जाएंगे और आप खेलोगे. तब राहुल गांधी ने क्यों नहीं कहा कि मेरी छाती के ऊपर बुलडोजर ले जाइए?
No. I'm saying that they were given alternative accommodation. You cannot remove. That's what the policy.
Okay, one more example. One last example. After that, I'm opening the debate.
No, just you have to allow me to conclude. I myself, excuse me, have gone to the court when the BJP was in power. It was the first time I won the election. The Gautam Nagar biggest JJ cluster was removed, and without giving them alternative accommodation, I had to go to the court to see that their rights are procured. Yes, this was happening.
I'll tell you one more example. Now, iske baad I'll open up to debate to Shrikant Sharma and to Raghav Chadha. My last example I'm giving, and I'm spending a little bit more time with the Congress. My last example. No, I feel, you see, I feel.
But you're mixing up things.
I am not mixing up. All examples are of demolition drives. I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you, Kiran Walia.
I'm
challenging you, Kiran Walia, to prove me wrong. Now, I'll tell you, सर्दी की बहुत चिंता है राहुल गांधी को. तो जनवरी 2010 में, right? 2010 के जनवरी में there was a big demolition.
Why are you so peeved? Excuse me, why are you so peeved that he went there?
I am not peeved. I am peeved that you are not being able to answer my question. My question is that there are 250 people left homeless after a demolition drive in January. In January, one second.
Have come up, Gautampuri come up. Yes.
In January, okay, last example I'll give. Shrikant Sharma can respond. January 2010, when people were left homeless, this happened near Pul Mithaiwala in Old Delhi. One balloon seller died of the cold. सर्दी में आदमी मर गया रास्ते में. तब राहुल गांधी ने नहीं कहा कि छाती के ऊपर डेमोलिशन कराइए मेरी इनकी. आपने कुछ नहीं कहा. श्रीकांत शर्मा, योर रिस्पॉन्स. श्रीकांत शर्मा, I've given 3 examples. I have many more. श्रीकांत शर्मा.
अर्नब, कोई नई बात नहीं है. और जब स्टेट के इलेक्शंस होते हैं, जब केंद्र का चुनाव होता है और राहुल गांधी को आप इस एंग्री मैन के रूप में देखते हैं. यूपी के चुनाव में वो अपने बाजू ऊपर चढ़ाते थे, मन से कूदने की कोशिश करते थे. जिस तरीके से आपने देखा, उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को नॉनसेंस कहा, एक विधेयक को फाड़ दिया. तो और हिमाचल में जाकर कहा कि बीजेपी की सरकार आएगी तो इतने लोग मारे जाएंगे. वो इस तरह की न्यूसेंस क्रिएट करते रहते हैं. और राहुल गांधी पार्ट टाइम पॉलिटिशियन है, कंफ्यूज है कि उनको करना क्या है, वो अपनी दिशा तय नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. और इसीलिए 10 साल जो देश की दुर्दशा हुई, तो राहुल गांधी इस तरह की नाटक नौटंकी कर रहे हैं. और वो मुझे लगता है कि अपने बड़े भाई केजरीवाल को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. आपको याद होगा कि 1 साल पहले जिस तरह से केजरीवाल पोल्स पर चढ़कर इलेक्ट्रिक जो कनेक्शन है उनको काट रहे थे, तो लगता है राहुल गांधी को शायद दिल्ली में इस तरह के लोगों की ज्यादा वक्त होती है. ऐसे लोग.
राघव चड्ढा ऑफ द आम आदमी पार्टी रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू श्रीकांत शर्मा. गो अहेड राघव. श्रीकांत जी, राघव आम आदमी पार्टी से आपको इंटरप्ट करना चाहते हैं. मैं आई एम अलाउइंग हिम. यस राघव.
As far as this newfound aggression in the Vice President of the Congress Party is concerned, I just have 3 questions for him. Question number 1: where was the Vice President of the Congress when the Sheila Dikshit government was openly bulldozing various unauthorized colonies and JJ clusters during their 15-year rule? Where was he? Was he available at that point to stand with these underprivileged people and to be bulldozed for their cause? Question number 2.
I think Mr. Chadha,
it was his government, it was the Congress government which has duped these underprivileged people who stay in JJ clusters and unauthorized colonies by giving fake provisional certificates. Even the Delhi Lokayukta indicted Sheila Dikshit for a scam by giving these fake provisional certificates and seeking votes. This was further indicted, she was further indicted by the CAG. And the last question, What was the Congress government doing for 15 years in power in Delhi? Why couldn't they solve this mess, this problem of unauthorized colonies, JJ clusters, JJ settlements? And where was Mr. Rahul Gandhi during all these years? Just because elections are around the corner, just because elections
Kiran Walia, you really need to answer.
He comes up with this newfound aggression in his
Kiran Walia.
And Mr.
Kiran Walia.
Problem is not limited to the Congress.
Kiran Walia.
I have a response to everything.
No,
yes.
Mr.
Chadha, I would like to enlighten you.
This problem is not limited to the Congress party.
No, she says she wants to enlighten you, let her. Raghav, she says she wants to enlighten you, let her. She's enlightening you, let her.
Two issues that you have raised.
ये दोनों अलायंस पार्टनर हैं.
You know this anything.
जब सरकार बनाई थी इन्होंने दिल्ली में तो दोनों एक दूसरे के पार्टनर थे.
I think Aam Aadmi Party stands certainly exposed just because they did not visit there. और ये जो क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि हम एक उस वर्ग का प्रतिनिधित्व करते, आज ये वहाँ पर क्योंकि नहीं थे, so they are making this. They have only been saying, shouting, screaming. We have come out with policies. Those policies
Madam Walia,
by the court.
Sorry, Madam Walia, 10 साल पहले आपने JJ कॉलोनीज को
हमने अनऑथराइज कॉलोनीज को हमने सीलिंग के टाइम जो कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के टाइम
Kiran Walia, I am talking about Rahul Gandhi tonight. First of all, Miss Walia, I am talking about Rahul Gandhi and my question is on Rahul Gandhi. You answer on Rahul Gandhi. No, my question is on Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, please, listen to me. If I say, my question is, can I take Rahul Gandhi at face value? Can I believe what Rahul Gandhi is doing? Is he a sincere man or is he putting up an act? I would, even if somebody wants to believe, they will ask one question. Ms. Walia, listen to me. Everybody is not a congressman. You will remember, just take your memory back to April 2006. At that point of time, do you remember that there was a rebellion in the Congress party? Lots of Congress MLAs, I don't know if you were there, there was a person called Mukesh Sharma there. They all started shouting slogans outside Sheila Dikshit's house. Said this Sheila Dikshit government is a cruel government. It does not think of the poor people. It is just going on a demolition drive. I want to ask you, Ms. Kiran Walia, in the national interest, please answer one question. Please answer one question. Please answer one question. Please answer one question.
Yes.
One question.
Yes.
One question.
I'll answer one question.
ये राहुल गांधी कहाँ थे तब?
कौन से किस्से की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
2006
जब मुकेश शर्मा चिल्ला रहे थे.
2006 when Congress MLAs protested against their own government in Delhi against demolitions. You don't know about it? Are you in politics in Delhi or are you new to Delhi politics?
I was also, excuse me, I was part of it and Mrs. Dikshit had all her blessings that we should be trying to protect.
So why was Rahul Gandhi then?
And who were responsible? This was the buzzer. Mr. Rahul Gandhi has always been there.
Where was he?
Excuse me.
Where was he? Excuse me. Where was he?
All the time.
Where was he? Was he there? Shrikant Sharma क्या वो थे? Shrikant Sharma, Raghav Chadda क्या राहुल गांधी थे उस वक्त? क्या राहुल गांधी थे? 2010 में राहुल गांधी थे, 2006 में राहुल गांधी थे, 2013 में जब लोग मर रहे थे सर्दी में तब राहुल गांधी थे. Where was Rahul Gandhi then? Where was Rahul Gandhi?
2010 में.
I have a question.
मैडम वालिया 2010 में जब आप फर्जी सर्टिफिकेट बांट रहे थे तब राहुल गांधी कहाँ थे? जब 2010 में आप फर्जी सर्टिफिकेट बांट रहे थे अनऑथराइज्ड कॉलोनी के लिए, तब राहुल गांधी कहाँ थे? और 2006 में जेजे कॉलोनीज को आप जब फ्लैट देने की बात कर रहे थे तब राहुल गांधी कहाँ थे?
योगानंद शास्त्री, 1 minute. Yoganand Shastri was the Speaker of the Delhi Assembly. In December 2012, he criticized the Sheila Dikshit government for their cruel slum demolition drives in which people were suffering. They were out there in the cold. Nobody was thinking about poor people. तब राहुल गांधी कहाँ थे? क्या उन्होंने कहा था मेरे छाती के ऊपर बुलडोजर ले जाइए?
It is gone on record.
Where was Rahul Gandhi then?
Have the patience to hear. Delhi has provided Ren Basera.
Where was Rahul Gandhi then? Answer my question if you can. Where was Rahul Gandhi then?
We are running the Delhi
Where
government.
was Rahul Gandhi
and
then?
when we were bringing out right
But where was
policies,
Rahul
why
Gandhi
should he
then?
be shouting and screaming?
Where was Rahul Gandhi?
Against any kind of claiming of land
where was Rahul Gandhi?
uproot people. A policy is brought by a policy has been brought by the Congress.
I've given you 5 examples.
And then there an ordinance by Delhi government.
Do this.
Yes,
Raghav Chadha is responding to your last point. Raghav Chadha.
No, you want we are not Aam Aadmi to be having Mr. Rahul Gandhi on streets all the time.
Rahul Gandhi on streets?
When the situation
Where should he live, in palaces?
We do not run by. No, we don't do it all the time.
As far as electoral politics of Delhi is concerned, Congress has become irrelevant. Mr. Gandhi now is just trying with his gimmickry to revive the fortunes of the Congress as far as electoral politics in Delhi is concerned, and that is the conclusion to this entire event. But there is one more angle to this entire problem, and that angle is played, and that role is played by the local BJP MLA of that area where this demolition has taken place. I have a copy of the letter written by the BJP MLA of that area to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi saying that please come and demolish this area. And why he is saying this is what all of us need to concentrate on.
Whose letter?
Number one, this MLA has been
show the letter.
That area that if
show the letter.
Don't vote for me.
Show the letter.
Teach you a lesson.
Out of
the 5 booths available in this area, but all the votes went to the Aam Aadmi Party, and that is why the demolition is taking place. It is a textbook example of lesson in retribution. It is purely out of revenge that the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party's MLA is engineering this demolition. So my question to the BJP spokesperson is, why is the BJP MLA encouraging or requesting the LG to demolish this area when the High Court order says no pick and choose demolition can take place, when the Delhi special
answer
law
it, Shrikant Sharma, answer it.
That all these establishments.
Jawab dijiye. Jawab no, BJP must answer. जवाब दीजिए. बीजेपी
राहुल गांधी को ज्यादा क्रिटिसाइज मत करो, तुम्हारा अलायंस पार्टनर है. राहुल को ज्यादा क्रिटिसाइज मत करो, तुम्हारा अलायंस पार्टनर है. ज्यादा आलोचना मत करो उसकी. अब दोबारा तुम फिर उसके साथ मिल जाओगे. बीजेपी की जहां तक बात है, जैसे आप राघव, जैसे आपका लीडर करता है ना दिल्ली में नौटंकी, जैसे आपका लीडर आपका जैसे लीडर बिजली के खंभे पे चढ़ जाता है और कनेक्शन काटता है, आज वैसे ही राहुल नौटंकी कर रहे हैं. तो आप दोनों एक दूसरे के आप दोनों पार्टनर हो, ज्यादा आलोचना मत करो उसकी. दिल्ली की जनता आप दोनों को जानती है कि आपकी करनी और करनी में क्या फर्क है. 2006 में राहुल सो रहे थे, 2010 में राहुल सो रहे थे, और आप केजरीवाल और राहुल दोनों एक ही हैं. जनता ने, दिल्ली की जनता ने आपको देख चुका है किस तरीके से आप कांग्रेस की आलोचना कर रहे थे, और आलोचना करने के बाद फिर आपने कांग्रेस के साथ मिलकर सरकार बना ली. तो डोंट क्रिटिसाइज टू मच टू राहुल गांधी. डोंट क्रिटिसाइज टू मच टू राहुल गांधी बिकॉज ही इज योर अलायंस पार्टनर. डोंट क्रिटिसाइज हिम.
Shrikant Sharma, answer the question. Shrikant Sharma, the question being asked is very relevant. Was your MLA part of the demolition drive? Was he trying to get the demolition done? Answer the question. Stop criticizing only others. आप जवाब दीजिए श्रीकांत शर्मा जी. आप क्या ये चिट्ठी की बात जो कह रहे हैं, राघव, शो मी द प्रूफ. यू हैव द लेटर, शो मी द प्रूफ.
I'll just show you.
Show me. One second. This is interesting. He's showing the proof. Who is this signed by?
Arnab, he is lying. Arnab,
this is signed by the BJP MLA of Bijwasan, Mr. SP Rana.
Okay, is this the letter? Is this the letter? This is the letter which has been circulated today by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Because people of this area.
This is the letter circulated by the Aam Aadmi Party.
And people from a particular religious minority stay in this area.
This is a letter circulated by the Aam Aadmi Party. Open challenge on the news hour. Answer कीजिए. चिट्ठी दिखाई जा रही है, मेरे हाथ में भी एक कॉपी है. क्या ये चिट्ठी पे सच्चाई है? श्रीकांत शर्मा जी जवाब दीजिए. 2 मिनट बाकी है, जवाब दीजिए.
I will send it to your head office. You can get it checked.
श्रीकांत शर्मा जवाब दीजिए. Are you part of the demolition drive?
अर्नब, झूठ बोलना, झूठे डॉक्यूमेंट
कौन झूठ बोल रहा है?
सर्कुलेट करना, उसके बाद माफी मांगना. आम आदमी पार्टी इसमें बहुत माहिर है. आम आदमी पार्टी इसमें बहुत एक्सपर्ट है. आम आदमी पार्टी इसमें बहुत एक्सपर्ट है.
टू गेट दीज स्लम्स डिमोलिश्ड.
आम आदमी पार्टी इसमें बहुत एक्सपर्ट है. झूठ बोलना, गुमराह करना, डिमोलिशन कौन करा रहा है, कौन नहीं करा रहा है.
to make this as a textbook example.
No, what's it? The paper he showed is you know, you are saying, Shrikant Sharma ji, you are totally sure that this letter being held up, of which a copy Aam Aadmi Party also circulates today, आप कह रहे हैं this letter is fake, ये झूठ है, और अगर सच निकला तो
ये सिर्फ
Mr. Goswami, we have sent out a press release with the attachment of this letter. It is available with the entire Indian media.
आप रिलीज कर सकते हो।
This is
अगर कोई गैर कानूनी तरीके से रह रहा है, अगर कहीं कुछ गलत हो रहा है, अगर कहीं गलत हो रहा है,
because people from a particular religious minority
और उस गलत के
no, क्योंकि उनका चार्ज है that people from a certain, वो कह रहे हैं, they are saying people from a certain religious minority stay in this place, which is why you want it demolished. ये चार्ज है उनका। जवाब दीजिए, जवाब दीजिए श्रीकांत जी।
अर्नब, अगर कहीं कुछ गलत हो रहा है, अगर किसी ने कहीं गलत किया है, इनलीगल, अगर कहीं किसी ने कैंप लगाने की कोशिश की है, तो राइट बनता है हमारे लोगों का कि उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो।
तो डेमोलिशन आप करवा रहे थे, आप कह रहे हैं
this area, these slums, these JJ clusters,
इनलीगल कहीं कुछ हो रहा है, इनलीगल अगर कहीं कुछ हो रहा है,
for the past 4 decades, they were even recognized for regularization. These are not some makeshift arrangements.
No,
जो इनलीगल कहीं हो रहा है उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, लेकिन हम फर्जी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं बांटते हैं,
मैं फिर भी
गलत कमिटमेंट नहीं करते हैं।
मैं फिर भी एक सवाल पूछूंगा, नहीं देखिए, आई टेल यू वन थिंग श्रीकांत शर्मा, व्हाट आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग इज श्रीकांत शर्मा, आई हैव अ रिक्वेस्ट, यू आर आल्सो द हेड, Shrikant Sharma also is the head of the BJP media committee. He manages the media there. Now what I request Mr. Sharma to do is, Mr. Sharma, if what Raghav Chadha is showing is wrong, then you issue a press release tomorrow saying the Aam Aadmi Party is wrong and what action you plan to take against them. But if they are right, then you also need to explain whether they are right and what your position is on this. But मेरा आखिरी सवाल एक रहा, and my question is to the Congress Party. जो भी हो, मेरा सवाल ये है, मेरा ये सवाल ये है कि अब तक राहुल गांधी कहाँ थे? That's my question. Kiran Walia, where was Rahul Gandhi till now? That remains my question. It's a national interest question, and this is now. Yes, okay.
If the media wants to put blinkers on their own eyes, then I cannot help it. I am saying it is because of people like him, the Vice President of the Congress Party, and the Congress Party is ideology for long and for years. That these policies which the Aam Aadmi Party himself is saying that the High Court ordered because there is a certain law. Now what is that law? The law is you have to rehabilitate.
Miss Walia.
Excuse me.
Miss Walia. Miss Kiran Walia.
You have to have an in-situ or rehabilitation.
Miss Walia, please don't take it otherwise. But I'll tell you, I have perfect vision. Though I wear glasses, I have perfect vision. And I neither need blinkers, binoculars, microscope or telescope to ask the question, where was Rahul Gandhi till now? 5 examples I gave you when demolitions were going right before your eyes. I did not see Rahul Gandhi. Then I don't know whether who was putting blinkers on, whether it was me or whether it was Rahul Gandhi or someone else. We'll track the story. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.